Namaskaram. We are going to see Vishnu Sahasranamam names, meaning, story and benefits. First Nama of Vishnu Sahasranamam is Vishwam. Vishwam means the universe or all pervading. Vishnu is called Vishwa because he exists in everything. Everything exists in him. He is not separate from the universe. He manifests it, sustains it, and pervades every atom of it. In the Upanishad, Sarvam Vishnumayam Jagat, it is telling that the entire universe is pervaded by Lord Vishnu. If you are chanting Vishwaya Namaga, it means that the divine is not separate from the world around us. Lord Vishnu is present in every being, every object, and every moment. Now let's see the story. Namadev is a great Vittal devotee. We all know Vittal is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Once, Namadev was immersed in telling the Nama Sankirtanam, which is like devotional singing of Lord names. At that time, dog came and snatched the piece of the roti from him. Namadev immediately started running after the dog. Seeing him chase, dog ran even faster. At last, he caught the dog. Namadev picked up that roti, applied ghee, which is a clarified butter, on it, and said, Vittala, don't eat dry bread. Have with ghee instead. The dog ate it happily. This story reflects Namadev's deep devotion to Vittal. He sees Lord Vittal even in dog. Namadev realized that Lord is existing in everything, even in dog. So, this reflects that Lord Vishnu is called Vishwa, who exists in everything, even in animals. So, we also pray to Lord with this Nama. There is an important context in Bhagavad Gita chapter number 11 where Lord Krishna, who is the avatar of Lord Vishnu, shows his Vishwarupa, which is a cosmic form, to Arjuna. In that vision, Arjuna sees the entire universe within Krishna, all gods, beings, forms. At that time, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, Behold, Arjuna, in my body, the entire universe, moving and unmoving, all concentrated in one place. This cosmic form is a living experience of Vishwaya Namaga. The Lord is the universe and beyond it. When the devotees chant this Nama Vishwaya Namaga, they are not only praising Lord Vishnu's omnipresence, but also humbling themselves before the truth. I am a part of you. You are everything I see, know, and experience. What is the benefit of chanting this Nama? This Nama will give the realization that Lord Vishnu is the root of all, and we will start seeing all beings as the existence of Lord Vishnu. Let's chant this Nama. Om Vishwaya Namaha. I bow to the Lord Vishnu, who is all pervading and encompasses all of the creation. Let's chant this Nama 108 times. Om Vishwaya Namaha. 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 Om Vishwaya विश्वाय नमः। ॐ 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 विश्वाय नमः। ஓம் விஸ்வாய நமக. 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 ஓம் விஸ்வாய நமக.